After completing my 12th class, I was also an IIT aspirant, just like you all were. But I was not selected. Obviously, I was disheartened, but I gave my UPS exam. I thought I will have to do something now. May not be in IIT, but UPS will provide me good opportunities which will help me in the future. Then I came to know that there are 17, 18 courses running of computer science alone. Then I was shocked. Because I was not having any knowledge of computer science, I was not from a computer science background, so I was not aware of these courses, what are they. But when I came to counseling, all branches, all people from different industries proved their point. And even after doing so much of research, I came to know that DevOps and big data are going to be the future. May not be now, but after 4 years for sure. Various companies like Google, Amazon have started working upon these things just from the beginning. But should I choose DevOps or shall I not choose DevOps? If you consider DevOps or big data, in the future the requirements are huge. If you select any other branches right now, then they may have future right now, but in coming 4 years they may or may not. But the thing DevOps, it is not a technology, it is a practice. Technology may fade, but practice won't. You can select any of the branches right now, but think wisely before choosing, because this is a matter of fact that specializations come to play, but at the end of the graduation part, you are a CS graduate, and without automating the things, you can't be a good graduate. The curriculum provided by Xebia was overwhelmed. Like, as soon as we began our first semester, we were provided with the books which were directly coming from the Xebia part. So indirectly we were taught what all has to be there in the industry. We were not like just cramming the things, but we were actually learning them. We were getting to know what all tools are required, how the things are happening. These were the facilities which were provided only by Xebia and no one else. So this was the part where we feel that yes, we are in the right hands. After completing my 2 years, now I realize that what all I have done. In the starting, Xebia helped me support, they made me settle down, and they slowly started increasing the difficulty level. And as soon as the semesters were passing on, the tools were introduced in our curriculum. And if I say why you have to choose DevOps or big data, then these are the future. I started my journey, I went to college. From day one I was taught that how to do things. Rather than learning them, I just put them on my daily basis. It was my hands-on practical. When I talk to my other colleagues which are not from these branches or which they have a different curriculum, they have the knowledge but they don't know how to implement them. But in my case or in my friend's case, it was the opposite. We have knowledge and we know how to implement them, and that is what industry wants. Choose your branches wisely, and all the best for the future. See you at the campus.